What's going on, everyone? You're watching RD Motoring, and I wanted to do something a little different with this video. I've said it before on here, but I drive a lot for work, usually around 300 miles a day, and I see a lot of, let's just say, mediocre drivers on the road. So I decided to get a dash cam and share some of my experiences from the last few weeks. First up, we have 3 drivers who just need to be in front of you this very instant. Take this Toyota Avalon, for example. I'm sure you're wondering where he is. Well, don't worry, because he's gonna make himself very clear, and yeah, just gonna squeeze in there, thank you. Now we have a RAV4, another Toyota. And no blinker, I'm just gonna put myself right here and perfect. I'll tap my brakes one more time and continue going the same speed as everyone around me. Now for this one, the black Ram in front didn't cut me off, but they clearly need to pass the driver in the fast lane ASAP. Why do you gotta be so aggressive? Next are 3 drivers who just enjoy blatantly running red lights. First one I'll give a bit of a pass, but they had plenty of time to stop once the light turned yellow. Paired with the world's shortest green light, you can count it, it's about 7 seconds, you have this Subaru who, although just started to accelerate, thinks it's a good idea to keep going. Right through that red light. This one's gotta be my favorite. Honestly, I couldn't figure out what he was doing by slowly creeping into the intersection, so I just stayed a bit further back. And even though there's clearly a red arrow right there, this one just, yep, goes on their way. Now, it's all those drivers who have very important places they need to be as soon as possible. Just driving down the highway, minding my own business when, oops, sorry, didn't realize I'm on the final stretch of Monaco. Check out this gray Lexus RX coming up here on the right, doing anything they can to just get slightly further ahead. Using an exit only lane to pass? Sure, no problem. Oh, look at that, didn't work out too well. Fast forward a bit, and look who it is, almost causing an accident right there, good job. We also have this Kia Forte, who I imagine is displeased at the rate of which the Honda in front of them is going, because they just do that. Nice. Finally, as a bonus, some garbage falling out of a truck. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this type of video. I know it's not the crazy crash compilations you see everywhere, but it's more of a realistic experience. It's something that I clearly see daily. As always, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more automotive content. Take care, everyone.